To our weather now. Today is Thursday, which means we have the latest update from the Drought Monitor. First, we'll start off with what last week's Drought Monitor update looked like. Primarily abnormally dry conditions in the yellow across much of Kentuckiana and a bit of that moderate drought in the tan, more so along and south of the parkways. This is this week's update. You can tell there's definitely more of that tan color stretching up to the Louisville metro into southern Indiana as well. So plain and simple, yes, drought conditions have been worsening across our area because of the lack of rainfall and the heat that we've been dealing with. If we're talking about just the month of September, usually by this point, we're a little over halfway through the month, we have almost 2 inches of rainfall. So far at the Louisville International Airport, we've only picked up 0.8 of an inch, so we're more than an inch behind where we should be at this point in the month. Of course, that's on top of August being a drier month for us as well. The good news is we do have rain chances returning to the forecast. That trend that we've been talking about this week about next week being more active is still hanging true. So we are looking to stay dry, of course, today, most of tomorrow as well. There's going to be activity on the radar off to our west tomorrow, but that all looks to fizzle as it gets closer to us. We still have dry air in place. It's going to take some time to overcome. So even Saturday, trending mostly dry, a 10% chance of rain or less. By Sunday, if you are heading to Louder Than Life or you have outdoor activities during the afternoon and evening hours, I just keep an eye on the weather, on the forecast, on the sky, on the radar, because we could have some isolated showers or storms. But take a look at how this map fills in next week. Some much needed rainfall because it does look like we could have days and days of rain chances pretty much each and every day. Your high temperatures for the next 5 days staying well above normal, about 10 degrees above normal Friday and Saturday. Now by Sunday, we're in the upper 80s and we're talking mid to upper 80s next week. Those temperatures should eventually fall into the lower 80s, especially on the days where we get more rainfall. Temperatures will really be dependent on how much rainfall we see each and every day. But temperatures right now, they are in the upper 80s and lower 90s. It's a warm one out there. We're at 89 in Louisville, but 93 in Palmyra, 91 up in Bedford, 90 in Madison and Shepherdsville, 89 currently in Bardstown. Satellite and radar, all is quiet. Storms remain off to our west, which has been the case just about all this week with this pattern in place. Your hour-by-hour futurecast for us through this evening, staying mostly clear and warm, but once that sun sets, it'll feel a lot more comfortable with lows dropping into the 50s and 60s. Now, as we head throughout the day tomorrow, you can see some clouds increasing from the west there, so expect mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Any kind of rain you can tell dissipating before it reaches us as we head into your Friday evening and Friday night. Looking ahead to Saturday for the football games, expect temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s for both kickoffs at U of L and at IU. And of course, U of L, expect those temperatures to heat up throughout the course of the game because we're talking a high of 91 on Saturday. Those rain chances return isolated at first Sunday, and then next week is trending much more active with highs in the 80s. Conroy?